I'm just going to keep this mic far away from my mouth because I am highly insecure about my voice in videos, as most people are. But to begin this look, I started with putting a light blue color into my crease. And now I'm just going to go in with a navy blue to deepen the crease a bit. And then after this, I will also put a little bit of black in the crease. Just don't mess up like I did and put way too much black. You'll see that in a little bit in this video, but yeah, I done goofed. And then I just go in and cut my crease and just make this whole eye look snatched. So this is where I go in and decide to mess up with the black and take way too much on the brush, but I am just contouring with a grayish brownish shade all over my face.
What happened?
And here is just where I start adding the little triangle, like the clown triangles, whatever. I don't even know what they are, but start adding those on. I will start off with a light blue, and then again, just like the eyes, darken it with the navy blue, and then put a smidge of black in there.
No, you complete me. What happened? Kill you? 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 What happened? What happened? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
So this was honestly my favorite part of the tutorial, was doing the nose for some reason. But I just started with a eyeliner to outline the circle, and then I filled it in with a darker red, and then in the middle I put a lighter red, and then after this I just gave it more dimension by adding some black around the sides. Make sure you blend it in well, and then at the end I just added a little white dot for a little like highlight. Now, I am quite aware I am not a professional special effects, so don't hate on me. I'm not trying to act professional or anything, but all I'm doing in this part of the video is just applying the liquid latex in the shape I want it to be in, and then I took a piece of toilet paper, divided the two like sheets of it, whatever. I'm gonna put it on my face, and then you're just gonna keep putting latex down and then put toilet paper on top. So I actually did struggle quite a bit with this tutorial, but I have also constantly made the mistake of not practicing before I start recording. So this was all just me messing around with my stuff. But I had bought some white face paint, even though I knew in the past it doesn't work out for me because it gets all like blotchy. So I tried starting with that. That was a disaster, so I ended up going to some like 2-year-old Cover FX foundation. Don't hate on me. But that was like my only option. So I actually have more guys hit me up to do makeup for them than females, like for special effects. So if this isn't something you would want to do, what my original plan was before everything just went all wrong. My original plan was to just completely erase my eyebrows, like with glue and everything, and connect the two triangles. So if you want to do that, you can. If you want me to come over and do that for you, works for me. process goes on for a while, me just putting it over and over and over again. So if you want to skip to the next part, I think it's at 6 minutes and 45 seconds, so you can do that. So here I am just cutting slits into the latex, and don't be stupid like I did and just cut directly on your skin, because I poked myself a bunch of times. So what you can do is put like a brush in there and just cut along the line of the brush. And then also this part right here, I am just stretching out the latex to make it look more lifelike. Now again, to make this look more realistic, I am just darkening the open part of the latex. I first start with adding some red, and then I add some dark brown, and then I add some black deeper into the slits. Now this is the fun part. Just remember, when you're doing special effects, it does not need to be perfect. If you bruise your knee, is it going to be a perfect bruise every time? No. So just mess around with your colors. Make sure you put reds, add some purples for like bruising, browns, light brown, dark brown, anything. You can even just look up a picture of any kind of cut and get a rough idea of what colors are in there, and just do that and just be messy with it. Also here I am just outlining my lips, or over drawing my lips, sorry, to make them look more like a clown. As you can see, when I was doing this part, I was trying to be very perfect with it, and then I remembered that I am a clown with a like broken mouth. Like, it doesn't need to be perfect. Like, you'll see I end up putting red everywhere all over my lips because it does not need to be perfect. Now, if you are worried that it looks like shit like I was at this moment, just remember that fake blood fixes everything. You could have the worst looking special effects, add some fake blood, and it's like, oof, dime. Now this is also a longer part of the video. You can keep watching if you want. You don't have to. I don't really care. It's up to you. But I'm just going to tell you now that I really messed up, because once we finished recording me doing the makeup, I completely forgot to take a video of the completed look. But fortunately, I did make my first TikTok, so that is the only video I have of the completed look. So I added that at the end of the video, so do not think I am putting that there so everyone can see my TikTok. I literally have one TikTok video, so yeah. name of these sponges I am about to use. Hopefully you can see it good enough in the video. It's one of those, like, it's not wiry, but it's that type of sponge. I think these are the best sponges for putting on fake blood. But all I'm doing is just putting it everywhere. Like, screw it, everywhere. It's gonna make it look better, it's all that matters. And here you will watch me make a mess myself. Be smarter than I was with this. I stained the clothes I was wearing. I got it almost all over my mom's table. Yeah, it got everywhere, so just like be careful with it. Maybe go outside, probably the smartest idea. And this is the completed look. I'm also sorry I sound so depressed in this video, but it's also 7:30. I have a midterm tomorrow morning and I haven't started studying. But thanks for watching, guys.